Well, 1970 Dodge Challenger, my friends. Starting to dig into this thing again, as I said I would. Digging deeper, getting rid of all the junky metal. Those frame rails are going to be replaced. Of course, the tail panel. I have a new trunk floor. Wheel houses, inner and outer, will be changed. Depending on how the new ones look shape-wise. I might make these a little bit wider. Maybe do probably make them wider on the inside, bring them up to the frame rail, the new frame rail. Get rid of that gap in there, and it makes the car stronger, and it makes I can put wider tires underneath it. But some of this stuff here, folks, this metal, this frame structure, I think they make a couple pieces of these. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna have to really dig in and do a lot of hand fabrication to get this stuff repaired. You know, all in there. Welds are breaking off pretty easily. This is what happens when when you do spot metal repairs. You can break pieces off with your hand. And if you properly cut it, you can take the pieces off like this package tray. You know, I just popped it out with my hand. And same thing with these things, these support struts. You know, they're gonna have to be repaired down there in the bottom. And you know, the other one right there. A lot of little stuff like here. You know, this is all rotted, so gotta change all that out, fix it. Tail panels over here. So it was B5 blue, and it's going to go back to that color right there. It's a cool color, especially being a 1970 automobile. Very cool. So a lot of work. Gotta go. See ya. And y'all have a good weekend and a good Friday afternoon. And a good Friday evening. Be safe, be happy, and be good to one another, okay? See ya. Bye-bye.